Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Let's Code. Today I am going to show you what is stack and how I can use in Java. So I am going to draw something on my page. So let's start. Now this here I am going to show you by drawing what is stack and how we can use the stack. You use basic concept how I can use the stack. So this is tag and it used it data structure and in data structures and it uses LIFO. So what is LIFO? LIFO means last in first out. In a stack we when we push the values to and stack that the last we push we get that first. So there are two methods we use, pop and push. I'm describe what is mean by pop and what is mean by push. So let I am drawing a diagram. This is my diagram. So this is push in the stack and push in the stack. This is my stack. This is stack and now this one is I'm creating the fields of the stack. This is actual size of the stack. Now this one, and this is the index 0 1 2, that is 3 and 4. So this is a 5 size of stack. Now I'm going to show what is pop, and this is pop. So push mean we push some data to that one, and pop we get the two out of the pair. So that is pop we got out of the stack, and push we get send data to the stack. Now I'm going to show you what is flow or underflow and what is overflow. This is also used term in the stack, that is overflow, and the second one is underflow, that is underflow. And what is overflow, what is underflow? So let I'm showing you by a diagram. So let I'm drawing a diagram. That is my stack. So this is the fields of the stack to where we send the values, that one. Now we push the values in the stack, that is push, and that is the index 0 1 2 3 4, and that one is 5. So now push the values 1 2 3 4, and here the 5. Now if we now our stack is full. If we push again a value, then this is called overflow. This one is overflow. And now when we pop the values from the stack and we use the pop method and get this value, then this, then this, then this, then this, and then the last one, this one. And now our stack is empty. Now when we are going to again pop the value, then this is called underflow. So this is a simple stack. Now we creating our project in NetBeans. Now let's start. I'm creating my project in NetBeans, that is Java stack, and I am using the class of stack, that is stack. Now here I am creating and array, so that is int data type array, so that name is ARR. So this is my array. And now here we are going to use a variable top, that is used to declare if our stack is full or not, and this is help us to get the value. So I am creating a constructor, that is one argument constructor, that is as is size. So we get the size from the user, that stack initialize the array. Now we get to assign the value of -1, because we use the top -1. So now we are creating a user method, that is push. Now void, and that is push, and in the push we pass one argument, so that is int, and that is the value of the stack. This is the value of the stack. Now again, here I am using the if condition, and let know if our stack is full or not. So if condition is used, if the top, that one is -1, is equal to that of the length, array length, we using the array length, that is used to get the total length of the array. So get the total length of the array. Now there is some brackets, so there is no brackets used in the length, because this is an attribute to use along with the array. So that -1 is shows the total length, and -1 that showing the index. So if the top is equal to the last index, so that means the stack is full. Now I'm going to print on the screen that our stack is full. Now this is our stack is full. Now in the else condition that our stack is not full, so we are going to, so here we are going to describe and sign push that value in the stack. So here how we can push the value in the stack, just by that using the array that that we created on top. So now this is array, and get the increment, so this, and assign the value to that array. Now our push method is created. Now we are going to create our pop method, and in the pop we get the data type int. Why we get the data type int? Because we return the values by the pop from the stack. So here I am using the if condition. If top is less than 0, that means our stack is empty, and I am going to print the value, that print on the screen that our stack is empty, or stack is underflow. Now this is underflow as I am showing in the diagram. So our stack is underflow. Now we are here we return some values of 0, because there is no. Now in the else, now there is a red line, and I'm show you this, that in the else we are just return the array, and use the top and explicit postfix. So this is here because our line here is the problem in the brackets, so this is here the bracket, place the bracket here. Now error is solved. Now I'm going to, in class, here in the main method we are going to instantiate the method of the stack. So stack and that object name, and now initialize, and here I'm calling the stack constructor, and pass the value, that is 5. So this 5 is the size of the array. Now by the object we are calling the method push, so we push some values here, and we copy paste all of this, and here I'm going to paste 3 4 5 times, and here I'm going to send some values 6, like here 2, here any random value we are going. So this, now we push the values in the stack. Now I am going to use the for loop to display that values on the screen. So here, now if I am going to display the method that we push, call the push value by 6 times. Now here int, and initialize it with 0. This is simple for loop, and less than 5, and here I is increment. Now here just I'm going to use system.out because I am directly going to print that our pop value is return the value, so that value I'm going to print here in for loop. So here I'm going to print this value. Stack value is, now I'm concatenate with that method we are calling by the object. So obj dot pop. So I am just first in the first run I am going to comment this one I'm going to comment this and run. We are just going to display. Now here we are going our display and that our stack. Now to show that messages, so I am here uncomment this, and you see it's showing the on the top that our stack is full. Now again here I am run my for loop to 6, so one value. Now I'm show message that stack is empty or stack is underflow. Now this is our basic method. Subscribe my channel, like my page on FB, follow me. So take care of yourself. Goodbye.